Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Julianne and this is all about my life living in Seoul, South Korea. Today, I'm gonna be showing you guys my new apartment. If you guys have been following along for a while, you guys know that I was living in Gimpo, which is a little bit outside of Seoul. So I had a beautiful 1-bedroom, modern, new apartment. This place is older, smaller. I had to be a little bit more creative with my storage, but I can honestly say that I love this place so much more. I think you guys will see more towards the end why I love it so much. At the end of this video, I'm also gonna give you guys some tips for any future teachers coming in when it comes to accepting a job and talking about your apartment, especially if you're not okay with the apartment you're offered, how you can ask for a new one, and just my thoughts about apartments here in South Korea. If you guys are new teachers coming in, you guys have any concerns or anything like that, please drop them down below and I will try to answer them. And if you are new here and you want to see my life living in South Korea, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and comment anything you guys want to see in future videos. Let's get to it. Welcome to my beautiful Seoul apartment. First things first, why are my purses getting stuck? Stop it. I have my shoe closet. I'm so happy because again, I have so much storage because your girl brought a lot of shoes. Definitely not necessary, but I have my giant suitcase. I put my second suitcase inside there and it has also a lot of my winter clothes and winter coats just to again have some extra storage and not be so cluttered. Then you go over here. This is the wardrobe and the closet. So there's all my tops and then all my jeans, pants, skirts, shorts, and stuff like that. And then I have a single wardrobe over here, which I use for all my lightweight jackets, cardigans, hoodies, and then all my undergarments, socks, and stuff in there. When you turn to the left, you see my bathroom. Again, I am blessed to have a closed-in shower. A lot of places in Korea have a wet bath, so the hose or like the shower would be like right there and it would get everything all wet. So I'm really happy because I don't need to have like bathroom shoes. Nothing gets dirty and wet. And then this is the storage. If you are not like me and do not have all this stuff, then I feel like this is a great amount of storage. I did get this little shelf to kind of just hold like extra toilet paper, towels, and stuff like that. But I'm pretty lucky because I feel like this is a really great size. Then you walk into my kitchen. My favorite part about my kitchen is, one, I like that everything is like a really neutral color, but I love this island because I feel like it's a good divide between the rooms. So this is really nice because also it's just extra counter space. It is really low though. It's like past my hip. It's probably like mid-thigh for me and I'm about 5'7". So if you're taller, it might be a bit less convenient. But this is where I keep all my dishes. So plenty of storage there. And then I keep all my food up here and in there as well. This is actually supposed to be a dish dryer, but this is broken, so I don't really know how to fix it. So I'm using this again for more storage. This is just where they keep the vent and stuff. In old apartments, you have to turn on your gas and turn it off. I keep forgetting to turn it off. So I'm very nervous actually for my bill. This is just, you know, all that good cleaning stuff. And then these drawers are where I keep my pots and pans and then more of just my miscellaneous stuff in there. I'm really lucky to have a really nice size fridge. So just a really nice freezer, good size fridge. And then these are actually supposed to be able to close so that you can cover up the fridge, but obviously that doesn't work, but it doesn't bother me too much because again, it's kind of the same color. And then over here you have more storage. So this is where I keep all my bulk stuff like toilet paper, sheets, silverware. Obviously everyone needs a junk drawer, so it's kind of just a hot mess. And then over here, again, some more storage. Then we walk into my living room. So just my TV. I bought this again because I wanted more storage for myself, and this was only about 45,000 won, which is maybe like 40 US dollars. I'll put the conversions when I edit. And then I also got this nice coffee table. This was 99,000 won. But my favorite part about this and what makes it so convenient is this lifts up so that you guys have more storage in there, and then you can like edit, eat, stuff like that. Then I also bought this, which I want to say is about 45,000 won. I want to print out pictures just to kind of make it more homey. And then over here I have my coats and just like my light jackets. This also kind of hides my hot water. So again, in older apartments, you have to turn on your hot water. So I keep forgetting this too. So again, I'm really nervous about my bill. Then we have the furnace closet. Like this is where the hot water is and everything. And I have converted it into, again, more storage. So this is all my cleaning stuff, umbrellas, Christmas. And then the best part, my bedroom. This is, I had the bed this way before, but I decided to push it against the window, and I am just in love because when I lay in bed, I feel like I'm floating in the city, and it is just so beautiful. This is why I love this apartment more than my last apartment, because I actually have a view. It's not of a courtyard. I do not need to turn my lights on until around 7 p.m. because I just get so much natural light in, and it just makes my morning, because every single day I just wake up to like a sunny room, and it's just great. I'm really lucky because I feel like this apartment actually has so much space. I'm glad that I have a space where I can entertain and have a couch and not just only sit in my bed all day. I'm sorry, because I want to talk, but I need to put my laundry in, so if you hear my washing machine in the background, no you do not, just ignore it, thank you. But I hope you guys enjoyed this apartment tour. I just want to give some of my thoughts now. It might sound dramatic to some people, but I just want to say this because I think it is important. When you are accepting jobs, I understand that the school pays for your apartment, right? They pay for your rent, they pick your apartment, which is really nice because that's a huge financial burden off of your chest, and it just makes life easier. And that's one of the biggest perks about coming and teaching in South Korea. But when I was looking for jobs the second time around, some of these schools were offering me the smallest apartments possible. Like I'm talking a square, twin size bed, across from your twin size bed at an arm's length away is your kitchen and your closet with a bathroom 1/4 the size of mine. And do not get me wrong, I understand I am looking for jobs in Seoul. Seoul is equivalent to New York City. You're gonna be in small places. I totally understand that. I understand. And that's why if you're coming to Seoul, you shouldn't be expecting a 1-bedroom apartment that's super modern and chandeliers, but also, I personally don't think that you should be settling for a really small apartment. If you do not feel comfortable in your apartment, my best advice is to talk to your recruiter about it. Talk to the school. Hi, I really love your school and I really want to work for this school. I love the curriculum. I love how the schedule is set up. However, I do not think that I can accept the apartment that you are offering. So many jobs, when I was looking for jobs the second time around, were offering me different apartments further away from the school. They'll be like, okay, are you willing to commute a little bit further? And I'm like, absolutely. I guess I just want to stress, like, so many people think that, oh, I'm living in South Korea, I'm not gonna spend any time in my apartment, I'm gonna be out trying new foods, I'm gonna go to this restaurant, I'm gonna go sit by the river, I'm gonna make friends, I'm gonna be doing this, X, Y, and Z. Which if you are every single day, I applaud you. I don't know how you do it, but the work culture here, you're working 8 to 10 hours a day, which also if you are accepting a job that's 10 hours a day, don't. There are other jobs that are 8 hours. I lucked out this year, but last year I was working 8 and 9, 10 hour days, and or not 8, 9, 10, 9 and 10 hour days, and it was awful. There are other jobs. That's just a whole different thing. But anyways, you're gonna be tired. Every single day you're not gonna do something, and you want a place that you can come home to and just relax and breathe and feel comfortable. This is all you have for the next year. And I know that sounds dramatic, but it's not. This is everything. Your apartment is everything. You don't have family here. Yes, you're gonna make friends, but this is your home. This is your home base. This is everything to you. And that sounds so dramatic, but I guess I just wanna like emphasize that if you do not feel comfortable in the apartment that they're offering you, don't be afraid to say something. If you're looking at it, when I was looking at apartments, I was looking at some of them and I'm just like, I'm getting anxiety even thinking about having a bad day and walking home to that and having that be my everything, my home, where I'm supposed to relax. If you are having those feelings, say something. And some people, some recruiters are like, you're being so dramatic. You want a job in Seoul. This is what they're giving you. Totally fair. You are looking for a job in Seoul. That's fine. Things are gonna be smaller. I totally get that. But and I've seen my friends get offers like this. I've gotten offers like this. A twin size bed where you can touch your kitchen. You don't deserve that for a year. And again, I don't think that you should come here and expect a 1-bedroom apartment with a fancy window and all that stuff, but you also don't deserve to come and move across the world. I understand your school is paying for your apartment, but you don't get to come across the world and be in a shoebox. That's not fair either. And again, some people might think that this is really dramatic, but I guess I just really want to emphasize to you guys that your apartment is important. If you are not comfortable with it, don't be afraid to say something, because if a school is really good and they really want you, they will try their hardest to accommodate you and your needs and make you feel comfortable, and that's a huge green flag. There are schools that will do it. And I'm not saying that if a school doesn't do it, it's a red flag and that you should just not go there, because obviously, I don't know if you guys know, but deposits, and especially in Seoul, can be like 10,000 US dollars plus. So moving that key money around is a little bit hard. But don't be afraid to say anything, to ask for a new apartment. This is your home. This is everything. You want a place that you can come home to and feel comfortable. You're gonna be sick here. You're gonna be homesick. You're gonna have happy memories. You're gonna have just so many memories in this place, and you just want a spot that you can come home to and just feel at home and not trapped and not stuck. And now I'm rambling, but I hope you guys understand what I'm trying to say. If you are any new teachers coming in and you guys have any questions, please comment anything down below and I will try to answer them, or I'll do a question and answer type of video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you soon.